Morning, Agent Engine Car McLean. VW Passat 2.0 diesel, first in this morning. This is 75,000 on the clock, to 2014 model. Now this one, no particular running issues. The owner's booked it in as part of a multi-vehicle booking. We're doing a Mini as well as part of this booking. The only thing we've picked up diagnostic wise, it's got a glow plug down, cylinder 3. And there's some old codes in there for EGR circuit, but these are a long time ago codes, and that EGR issue has been dealt with since then, so we've cleared that away. All the live data looks spot on. 180 kilometres since the last regen. Back pressure for that DPF's nice and low. The flow through the EGR looks good. Injectors all look fine. Coolant temperature lovely, 92 degrees. So apart from that glow plug issue, he's got one other issue, and that's to do with the screen wash, the motor for that. That's coming up with an open circuit code. Other than that, this car looks in really good condition. Cleaning it up and getting the back of the turbo cleaned up, the injectors, pistons, cylinders, getting carbon out of the cat. Doesn't clean EGR, doesn't clean inlet manifold. Anyone telling you otherwise is not really being that truthful with you. This is getting this lovely and smooth and quiet now, get the economy back and the emissions down. It's running pretty nicely already, so we're getting it lovely and crisp and quiet now. About another 5 minutes to go.